Hello everyone, I am Anupam and welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. So in this lesson 19, we are going to learn API in Python. So let's start. What is an API? An API stands for Application Programming Interface. So it acts as a messenger that helps two different programs communicate with each other, like Python and website. That fetch data from web services, like Python app. That a Python connects to mobile applications. So Python database, it retrieves and store information. So APIs are used extensively in real world projects to enable different software systems to work together seamlessly. Okay. So the common example of APIs are APIs power many services we use daily. So here are some popular examples like weather API. So it provides current weather conditions, forecast, and climate data for any locations, like Google API, access search, map, translation, and other Google services programmatically. Okay, like payment APIs, process transactions, like login APIs, authenticate user and manage account, like map API that display maps, calculate routes. So these APIs provide structured data that applications can use to enhance functionality. Okay. So the next one is Python can interact with APIs using a library called requests. So this powerful library makes a simple to send HTTP request and receive responses from web services. So installation like open your command line and run pip install requests. So this installs the request library, which is the most popular choice for API interactions in Python. So next is reporting the request library. So the import statement is once we install, you need to import the request library into your Python scripts like import request. So what it does, this import statement gives you to access to all the functions needed to make API calls, handle responses and manage HTTP requests easily. Okay. So this is the API example. Like we are going to make first API call using Python. Here is a complete example that fetches data from GitHub's API. So import request URL is equal to https api.github. So data is equal to request dot get URL print data dot text. So first is import library, second define URL, third make request and then view data. Like print the response text to see API data. So the output will display raw API data in text format. So this is your first successful API interaction. So what is JSON? APIs typically return data in JSON, JavaScript object notation format. So JSON is a lightweight data format that's easy to read and write for both humans and machines. So parsing JSON to convert the API responses into usable Python data, use the .json method. So like data.json. So key points are the .json method automatically converts JSON data into Python dictionaries and lists. So making it easy to work with the database, we need to use JSON. Okay. So the complete JSON example, like first we need to get request. It sends HTTP get request to the URL. So next one is a response object. So it stores the API responses in variable R. Then parse JSON. It is used to convert response to Python dictionary. So the print function displays the parsed JSON data as a formatted Python library dictionary, so making it easy to read and understand the structure of the data. So why APIs are important? So APIs are fundamental building blocks in modern software development. So they enable different systems to communicate and share data efficiently. So like it uses in web development, mobile applications, AI and machine learning, cloud services, and database integration and automation. So APIs is crucial for any programmer working on real world projects. So it is one of the most important topics in modern programming. So today's class summary is today we learned API fundamental, request library, API calls, and JSON data. So next lesson we are going to create mini projects. So if you like the video, keep subscribe and thank you.